Shamar Marie TV, and I'm back with a new video. In today's video, I will be doing some medium Fulani braids to the back. So right now, you just see me doing the third row because I did the first two rows off camera. So now you just see me braiding this braid all the way down. So I start off braiding my real hair 2 times, and then after I braid my hair, I add in 2 pieces of weave until I continue getting the correct length that I want. Once I'm done braiding the back of my hair, now it's time to get to the front. So right here, you just see me doing the 4th feed-in braid, going all the way down. I'm adding small pieces of hair as I braid my hair all the way down. And as I braid, I just add in more pieces of hair to get the correct size braid that I want. After doing that braid, now I'm going to start doing the braid going to the back. So I did my part as in like a curve. So once I got done curving the part, then I continued to braid my hair to the back. So everything is very repetitive. So right now you just see me doing the front and creating the design that I want. Okay, y'all, so now we back on the left side. So now you just see me parting my hair for the braid to go straight to the back. I'm going to add the gel to the side of my hair, to the sides of my hair, so everything can be molded down correctly. And once I'm done doing that, then I'm going to start my braid. So I started my braid off by first braiding my real hair, and then I continued adding small pieces of hair. But as you can see, I had added an extra big piece, so I had to split that in half. Once I got done splitting that in half, then I continued to braid my hair to the back, and then continue adding in more hair to get the length that I was looking for, which is very repetitive to what I've been doing the whole video.